this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2023 Nissan Kicks. What a fun little car this is.
Yeah.
And I want to thank Steve Parrott for letting me drive this thing. 2023 Nissan Kicks comes in 3 trim levels, the S, the SV, and the SR. I reviewed the SR with the CVT transmission in it. It's a mid-sized car, but we call it an extra small SUV. That's my take on it. It seats 5 with limited rear seat legroom. It's small. It's all new for 2018. An attractive Nissan grille, lower valance, defined front wheel openings, and fender bulges. Awesome front and rear lighting detail. This one had the optional black roof on it that kind of gave it that
floating.
Not so much the floating thing. I was more along the lines of, isn't this what Mini does? You know, the different colored roofs and that sort of stuff. It adds to the overall appeal, I think.
It's like a Minnie Mouse.
Huh?
I visualized Minnie Mouse for a moment. I couldn't figure out what you're... Sorry, Steve.
Minnie Mouse. Has he been smoking something here?
Move on. Yeah.
Anyway, all of the design touches are spot on. Interior highlights. Excellent dash design with easy-to-use infotainment system. Plasticky door panels that will outlive you. Attractive upholstery. Enough tech to satisfy your 13-year-old. Cargo trunk room, limited. This is an extra small hatchback, so don't expect to have, some steamer luggage that you can throw back there, because that ain't happening. What I liked about it, I like the indestructible interior. This would be a great car for somebody going off to college, first car, small family, whatever the case may be. What could use improvement? The seats lack a little lumbar support and upper back support. I think they could do a little work on that.
Well, that's because you're old and your lumbar is
decrepit.
Saggy.
Decrepit, that's not all. 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder that has 122 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque. Not a lot, but remember, this is a
on a CVT, that's just right.
Yeah, it actually is. Gets 31 miles per gallon in the city, and get this, 36 on the highway for a combined of 33. I got 34.5 miles per gallon over 400 miles.
Old Dr. Soft Shoe.
Not really. I mean, going to work, I'm doing 75 on the Beltway for 30 miles. That's not
if you're running with the traffic.
Yeah. What I liked about it was the fuel economy. It was easy to drive. It was fun. What could use improvement? A little more horsepower, or at least an optional engine with turbo, because all of them have the same motor in it. And that's not a bad thing. But they keep the price down with that, and that's important. What I liked about it, the fun suspension, but it's not racy. You can toss it around the corners. What could use improvement? Nothing. Ride and handling, set to appeal to the masses. Base trim price, $22,850. Prices tested, $27,915. And the base model price, if you could find one, $20,290.
Wow.
That's nice.
It competes with the Kia Soul for $19,890. The Chevy Trailblazer, which is a little bit bigger, $22,100. And the Hyundai Kona for $22,140. I think that it's really spot-on competitor. Mars may differ with me on this. Would be the Kia Soul for $19,890. Yeah, I had one. They're to me, they go head-to-head, size and price, that sort of thing.
I would say so.
Yeah,
that's good.
So anyway, that's the review of the 2023 Nissan Kicks SR CVT. I liked it.
Nice.
Go to your Nissan dealer.